Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What we got going on today is gonna be a small video, nothing too crazy. Basically, I am putting this underneath the bumper because as you guys know, down here it's like it like fell down. I had put one right there, ripped off, a screw right there. And then I tried doing one right there in the middle that can't focus it. Can't really see it. It's right there. There it is. And it's not holding on. Luckily that one's held on. So so then I'm gonna put this like across right there and then screw some holes in it, drill it, and then hoping it should stay on, no issues, problems. And yeah, and I'm gonna try to make it look all cinematic-y and whatnot. So anyways, let's get to it. You have bad bitch syndrome.
Yeah, don't be recording while I'm talking about shit.
Ooh.
Put that out, nigga.
What? I'll cut you out.
I saw John on the other day.
Just fucking burned myself. So I got it on. It's secured in there for now. We'll have to see a couple days. Hopefully it stays on there. But the other day a fucking cat walked up on this. Oh motherfucker. Look at that. See those paw prints. Bitch. Just kidding. I was gonna try to figure out where, cause you know, you guys know I got the 2 tickets. One for being, well, both of them being for the license plate. But I don't know where to put it. I was thinking we were getting too fucking, cause I don't want to drill no holes in the bumper. So I don't want to drill holes in the bumper like I was saying, and then put it right there maybe. Cover up this hole, get some zip ties. Oh shit. Get some zip ties and put them right there in the hole. But I don't know yet. But I guess that's it for now. Just something small, you know. Practicing my video editing, I guess you could say, kind of. Not really. I already know how. But we got other plans coming up for these wheels. I think I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm not sure, 100% sure yet, but we'll see. But anyways, thank you guys for watching that short episode. Peace out. See you at the next one.